Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, this is the most common question. I will tell you how to update your website on Netlify. If you go to Netlify and go deploys, you can see this bar called need to update a site and drag and drop your file. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna drag a file and upload in this thing. So this is my website. You can see the CV here. There is this emoji. We're going to change that emoji and we'll see if it changes. All right. Let me change the emoji. Yeah, I already copied one. Okay, this is good for an CV emoji. By the way, this is a website I coded by myself. So this is basically Linktree. I coded by myself, so I'll have more possibilities and I won't have any limitations like we do the Linktree. We have to pay for that. If I do my own, I don't have to do that. All right, it's updated. uh, let's drag and drop. So this is the file here. All right, it's done, and you can see open production deploy. And if you open that, you can see that the logo or the emoji is changed, and it's as simple as that. So thanks for watching, guys. So subscribe to my channel and keep updated.